Hi, Barbara Reagan with Long & Foster Realtors. So if you're selling your home, there's a good chance your buyer is going to be doing a home inspection. Now, I know that inspections can sometimes have a reputation for causing deals to fall through, but with a little preparation, you can keep things running smoothly. So let me share a few quick and easy tips to help you get ready for the inspection. Step 1, declutter and clean. Clear out all the rooms, the closets, the storage spaces to let the inspector get a good look at everything. Make sure your furnace filter is changed and your kitchen appliances are clean. Step 2, make minor repairs. Now's the time to fix those little things you've been meaning to get to. Walk room by room, make a list, and tackle those quick repairs before the inspector arrives. Step 3, don't conceal known issues. If you know there's a problem, don't try to hide it. It's better to address the issues up front so they don't become a surprise during the inspection. Step 4, access for the inspectors. You want to make sure the inspector has access to all the areas he needs to, including the attic, the crawl space, and the electric panel boxes. Step 5, test the things that the inspector will check. The inspection can take up to 3 hours, and during that time, there are a lot of things he will check. So hop on over to my blog that's on my website for a list of those things you can easily check before the inspector gets there. Step 6, ramp up the curb appeal. First impressions count, and if the first thing an inspector sees is a well-maintained exterior, it can help him think your interior is also well-maintained. Step 7, provide any important documents. If you've had recent renovations or repairs done, or any renovations and upgrades, leave this documentation out for the inspector. Step 8, make a final walkthrough before leaving. Before leaving the house, go through and make sure the house is ready for the inspection. Step 9, leave the house. The inspector and the buyers may not feel comfortable with you at the house, so make sure to leave and give them enough time to do the inspection. By following these simple steps, you can feel more confident when it's time for the home inspection. Remember, a little effort now can make a big difference in keeping your home sale on track. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below and check back each week for more real estate tips. Have a great day.